Hello everyone, this is KingConn IoT. This video I will show you our new book. This book about the smart home system. We have published last week. So I have get many questions about our fans, like how to get this book, and is this book is an English version, and how to download this book. So I make this video and show you some details about the books. Because KingConn mainly make and design the smart controller system product, and we also take many times for the school education. So we have write many books for school education. You can see this is for the smart home system, and this is also for the smart home system, and this is the third one. So we have totally write about more than 10 books in recent 10 years. And almost every 1 year we will write one book for the school, for the university, and for the college. Because this book takes our 2 years because of the COVID-19, the views and the books, the time is delayed. So it takes more time than these 2 books. And you can see this is our first book about a smart home. It published in 2017 year. And this book is the second version we have published in 2019. And this book is the third of the smart home book we have published in 2021 year. And also we have write many books about the MCU and the development, and for the many kinds of chips and MCUs. You can see our KingConn website. We have uploaded this book's details on the web page. Now I will show you some content of the book. You can, although this is the Chinese version of the language, but maybe you can see some photos and the graphic, and I will show you some contents. But don't worry, if you don't understand the Chinese words, but I will make some videos in future. I just will show you our technology and the skill, and all this will make in the video. And in our video, we will include these some skills and some experience, and show you the experience, how to make some smart home project, and how to make some smart automation project. Okay, let's see some details. Okay, let's look at this box. This is almost the KingConn book history. And this just a lot of the book. We have many books and magnets. I almost can't put in my desktop. Now I will show you some books content. This is the first one, first book published in 10 years ago. So we have used this teach the school students for learning the MCU 451 chip. So you can see this book is published in 2011 year, almost 10 years ago. And this book we have make the first KingConn PCB board. This is the development board for AMOLED and the LED screen and experiment, and how to use remote, how to use wireless remote, IR remote, and this PCB board. So how to download the firmware. So we have designed this development and 10 years ago for the school students to use. And for this chip, this is the older chip, the DIP package. So we have tell the people how to use the MCU, the basic technology for the hardware, and how to wind and design and software, and how to write the code for MCU. So this is the first one, and this is the first one. And the second, we have make this big development board for school education. And you can see this book is published 2000 year. This is almost many years ago. Because this book have published the second version. This is the second version, so the first version is in 2000, so that's many years ago. And this box we have make a big board for study the MCU technology. And you can see how to use LCD display, how to use the motor, and how to use the IR remote and the wireless remote, and the keyboard, and many basic technology of the MCU. Also, this is a CD-ROM, and now the box does not have the CD. Many 10 years ago, there are CD to record and save some demo code, and code and software and hardware. And also, this is another version, the PIC MCU of the book. Also, we have supplied the video, and you can see this is CD-ROM for PIC MCU to learning, and many video demo. And also have the software and the hardware about the PIC MCU board, and how to use, and how to design, and how to write the code. Okay, this is the MCU. And this one is about the MCU and the technology with the IoT. This have Kinkoney and the wireless and the Zigbee, some product in this book. And this have some knowledge of the IoT, and also have the MCU design and development, the application, the mobile phone application, and the code for the Android, and the LED display, and make the mobile phone application to control the LED, and the Android phone control the relay. Okay, this is the IoT book, and this is the first book of the smart home. This book is colorful. This is colorful. And this is the first version of our application. That is almost in 2013 year. So almost 8 years ago, we have used this software on the mobile phone and at the PC software. And we can see this book about the smart home is published in 2017. And at this book, we have designed the Kinkoney about the smart home controller, the first version. This is the PC software manual. Sometimes our fans have asked me whether I have this software, but this have stopped use for many years. And this is the Kinkoney first wireless gateway. Now it's stop market. It's not produced now. And the gateway and the relay controller, and many years ago, relay controller, and this is IR send and the touch switch panel, and many different parts. And this is the PC software for logic and control and set, and for mobile phone and iPad. And this is design for room, the diagram, how to design. Okay, this is the first smart home book, and this is the second verse. This is the second verse of this book. So we have just updated some information about the software and some hardware. And the software is updated. I use King Kong Smart Home. This is King Kong Smart Home software for mobile phone. And how to use and how to configure and design your home. And some ZigBee device and some FAQ. Okay, and this is the newest one. This is King Kong for smart home technology and for the project. And this is new, so I need to okay, this is a new book we have published. We can see, and this book is published at 2021 September. So last week I have received the sample box, and in this book mainly have some smart home design and system technology and design by King Kong's product, and some for lights curtain and some solution for the value and the house. And we can see, maybe you don't understand the Chinese words, but you just see the photo. And this we can see the wireless gateway and the KC868/G. And this is COL, a logic controller, and 32 channel controller, and 8 channel, and the application for project, smart home project, and how to install the door lock and the curtain, and choose the motor and the wire, and the temperature sensor of the King Kong wireless temperature sensor. And you can see how to install the switch panel and design for the music system, and the value how to list all products and for the project. And this is the software how to use, and the King Kong Smart Home application software, and how to add the parts, add a switch panel, and add a camera, and add a sensor, and add a switch. And this is for development for integration. This is a protocol, how to send a command, and by the PC software. And this is a module, smart home module, and this is a mobile phone and PC software, and make power distribution box, and how to make a distribution box, and how to design a mobile phone application. You can make iPhone application, and how to make the Android phone, and how to develop the mobile phone for IoT. And this is the ZigBee module, and the temperature and the air quality detect. This is some system design sample. And for PIT, and the Bluetooth of the smart home, and some mobile phone how to design. This is the results, and this is how to make experiment. and the workshop, Kinkoni workshop, how to make the PCB board, and one product, how to produce. And this is H32. Okay, this is the box, the content. And I will tell you, I can't write the English version of the books because I understand my English not very well. But we will put this technology and the skill into our future video. And so we will let this technology and the skill and all these skills I will show you and with our YouTube channel. And you can subscribe us and you will never lost some technology. Okay, thanks for watching.